This is Preeti Royla. Today we are discussing about proper and clear understanding of biology. Our science is divided into three parts, that is physics, chemistry and botany. Biology. Biology, it is a Greek word that is divided into two parts, that is bios and logos. Bios means living organisms while logos means to study. In short, biology means study of living organisms. These are some features of a living organism which survive in our environment, that is nutrition, growth and development, movement, reproduction and respiration. All living organisms move from one place to another place for their survival. But there is one exception, that is plants. They can't move but they are included in the category of living organisms. Now, living, it is a word that is classified by a scientist, Carolus Linnaeus, in his book Systema Naturae, which was written in 1735. He classified living organisms into two parts, that is plants and animals. And this classification is known as taxonomy. Now, nomenclature. This classification is known as taxonomy, and these classifications means there are some criteria classified for that. That is nomenclature, and nomenclature means to know one species all over the world by a particular name. For example, mango. Mango means a scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. For example, frog, that is Rana tegrina. Now we are discussing about introduction of some scientists who discovered different terms. That is, biology is divided into two parts, that is botany and zoology. Botany means study of plants, while zoology means study of living animals. Lamarck is the one who used the term biology first time. Now, Aristotle is known as the father of biology as well as father of zoology. He is known by his work, that is 500 species. He studied 500 different species of animals and write down in his book, that is Historia Animalium. Similarly, botany, father of botany is known as Theophrastus, and same 500 species of plants and write down in his book Historia Plantarum. Now, medical science. Father of medical science is known as Hippocrates. Now, medical science means maintenance of health, प्रिवेंशन एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डिजीज़. जितने भी डॉक्टर्स होते हैं उन्हें हिपोक्रेट्स के प्रिंसिपल्स की प्लेस दिलाई जाती है जब वो डॉक्टर्स बनते हैं. नाउ, होम्योपैथी. फादर ऑफ होम्योपैथी इज सैमुअल हनीमैन. वर्ल्ड होम्योपैथी डे 10 अप्रैल को सेलिब्रेट 14 अप्रैल को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. सॉरी, 10th. होम्योपैथी मीन्स most appropriate medicine based on individual specific symptoms and personal level of health. Now, genetics. Father of genetics is known as Gregor John Mendel, and he used the term gene for his experiment. He worked on pea plant in his experiment, and we will study this in our upcoming lectures. But this gene word is first coined by the scientist, that is Johansen. Now, Charles Darwin is known as father of evolution, and evolution means change in characteristics of species over generation after generation by the process of natural selection. Charles Darwin, in his book on the origin of species, write down on the topic, that is evolution. Edward Jenner is known as the father of immunology. Immunology means study of immune system. He is also known for the vaccine which he discovered for smallpox. Now, A.B. Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of bacteriology, and bacteriology means study of bacteria or bacterial cells. In his experiment on Mycoplasma bacteria, it is a living bacteria. Now, cytology means study of cells and is coined by the scientist, that is Robert Hooke. In our science, there are three Roberts, that is Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, Robert Koch. Robert Hooke is known for the experiment, or you can say that cell is discovered by Robert Hooke, and nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. Nucleus is present inside the cell for the further development, and Robert Koch is known by the bacteria of cholera and TB. And at last, Leonardo da Vinci is known for the father of paleontology, and paleontology means study of fossil fuels. How can we count the age of fossils? By the process of carbon dating, and in this process we are using isotopes of carbon. Thank you guys.